Hey folks, how y'all doing? Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. Going to take up the FJ-2 Fury. Got her in mid rates, which for me are 70% throws or a 15% expo. All right, already done my range test. Right aileron or right rudder, left rudder, right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator. All right. I took the drop tanks off of her. To kind of cut down on some of the drag.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
It's a good looking plane. I'm running a Spectrum 3200 Smart 4S in her, just so you're aware. Oh, you're thinking you're so far away. What's that little orange and white speck we see? Whoa. Well, not quite enough power. Still got 1 minute and 8 seconds. Wind is cross runway, so I'm not getting any help from the wind either way to slow her down. She doesn't have flaps, so, and I took the drop tanks off of her to help with some of the drag. Yeah, she's faster, but now she's got nothing to slow her down. So might think about start belly landing her and hand launching her. So
Time remaining 1 minute.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, good flying bird. I just wish had more. If I could land into the wind, and she really would slow down. So maybe actually stay on the runway.
Seconds. 20 seconds.
Whoa! Whoa! Bent my landing gear. But that was my fault. I can easily fix that. Alright folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Fat Guy Flies RC, and see you later, and God bless.